Hi, and welcome to our open house. I'm going to go through some Google Slides and give you some information about myself and what to expect this year. So this is all about me at the beginning, and you're going to learn a little bit about me and my family. My name is Mrs. Dilling. I teach second grade. When I went to college, I went to school for an early childhood degree. And this is my 5th year teaching. This will be my 2nd year in second grade. These are 2 pictures of my family. My husband, Mr. Dilling, and my daughter, Adelina. And then we are having a little boy. That's what this other picture is here. And he will be born in September. These are a few of my favorite things. My favorite color is purple. My favorite food would be mashed potatoes. My favorite candy is Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. My favorite drink is Coca-Cola. Favorite store is Target. And my favorite animal is the sloth. I have a few hobbies. I like to craft and making things. I also like to paint, play piano, and I like to spend time with my family and friends. Some fun facts about me. I did my student teaching in Mexico. So I was not in the United States when I did that. And student teaching is when you are in your last year of college and you do a semester, so 2 quarters, practicing to become a teacher. And I got to do that in Mexico. I've been to 3 countries outside of the United States, and I love to travel. Here are just some of our class rules. Follow directions quickly. That's really important, so I don't have to ask more than once. Raise your hand if you want to talk or leave your seat. Another one is respect others and be kind and make smart choices. Here's a little bit about how homework will work in our room. The way I do it is any homework that you don't finish in class will be sent home with you that night, and you'll finish it at home, and then you'll bring it in the next day for me to grade. Sometimes, which is not super often, I'll send extra work home for homework. This is what our class schedule is going to look like this year. We have specials first thing in the morning. Then we have math, intervention, lunch and recess. Then we have AR, and then reading. We have a second recess, and then we have science or social studies. Our special schedule: on Mondays we will have fine arts, Tuesdays we'll have tech, Wednesdays are PE, Thursdays are library, and Friday is STEM. Dress code. Make sure that you always have closed-toed shoes on, and you need to be wearing those all the time, not sandals or flip-flops because your toes could get hurt. And then this year you need to make sure you have a mask with you all the time. When you're in the room or around the school, you always need to make sure you have a mask. You don't necessarily need to be wearing it. Then we have our supply list, which is kind of long, but I'll go through it quickly. 1 box of Kleenex, 4 dry erase markers, a backpack, a box of pre-sharpened Ticonderoga pencils, 2 big pink erasers, a box of colored pencils and markers, or markers. You don't need to have both, but you can. 3 pocket folders, a school box, a pair of Fiskars rounded scissors, a pair of earbuds or headphones, 2 packages of wide-ruled paper, 1 spiral wide-ruled notebook, 1 box of 23 count Crayola crayons, 6 glue sticks, and 1 container of Clorox wipes, which are going to be very important for this year. And then here's my contact information for if you have any questions. My email is adilling@nwhite.k12.in.us. The phone number of the school is on here and my office hours, so when you can reach me, which email is always the best way to reach me. So 7:45 a.m. until 3:30. And that is it. I am excited to be your teacher this year, and I can't wait to meet all of you.